Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the basics with a simple yet essential guide on how to turn on your HP Pavilion laptop. Whether you're unboxing a brand new device or just need a refresher, we are here to help you step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. Locate the power button. First things first, let's locate the power button on your HP Pavilion laptop. Typically, you will find it on the top left or top right corner of the keyboard area. On some models, it might be integrated as part of the keyboard itself, especially near the function key. Just like this image, you can see near the function key at a little bit right top corner, you will find a power light button. Just indicated this icon on this button. Now head to the step 2, connecting to the power source. Before turning on your laptop, ensure it's connected to power source. This is especially important if it's new or hasn't used for a while. Plug in the power adapter to your laptop's charging port. You will usually find this port on the side of the laptop. Now step 3 is turning on the laptop. Now that the laptop is connected to the power source, it's time to turn it on. Gently press the power button for a second or two. Once you press it, you should see some lights on the keyboard or near the power button itself, indicating that the laptop is powering up. Just like this, click on this power button and it will light up. Now step 4 is booting up. As the laptop boots up, you will notice the HP logo appears on the screen, followed by the Windows loading screen. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. Now step 5 is logging in. After the startup sequence, you will be greeted with the login screen. Here, enter your password or use any other login method you have set up like fingerprint or PIN. And just like that, you are now ready to use your HP Pavilion laptop. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to turning on your HP Pavilion laptop. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.